How to add members in Imo Group. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. So now I'm in my home page. Here, simply tap on the group where you want to enter. Now, here on the right top, we can see this three dot icon. Simply tap on this three dot icon. So here, you can find a section called Add Members. Select Add Members. So this is the place where you can easily add other people. Here, you can directly search for the people whom you want to add. At last, here on the bottom, tap on the stick button and you're all set to go. So the people will be added and can easily chat in the group chat. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.